What's up, everybody? Glenda White here, the mortgage coach, DFW. We're talking all things today about what is the perfect loan for you. Now, reality is the larger banks are in it to make as most profit for them. What we are here for is to find the perfect solution for you. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Welcome back, my friends. I hope you're having a blessed day. We're so glad to have you here today. I'm Glenda White, Viverity Mortgage, the mortgage coach, DFW, and we're talking all things about real estate, about mortgages, about DFW, and our great state of Texas, and of course, those Dallas Cowboys. Thank you for tuning in each and every week as we continue to grow our community. If you think this is of any kind of value, or if you have a friend, a family member, a coworker that is moving to the Metroplex, go ahead and send them this video. And heck, if you're looking at making that home purchase in 2021 or 2022 and have no idea what home loan is for you, well, my friends, you're at a great place today. We're talking all things specific about the 5 things and the 5 home loans that you could potentially look at. Okay, so is your head spinning of, wait, you just said 5 loan programs? That's right, there's actually many more. But today we're going to do a very high overview of each one of them specifically. And then, of course, if you've got any kind of questions, you can always reach out to our team and we can break each one of them down for you. Okay, our first program today we're diving into is our conventional loan program. There is a couple of programs that allow a 3% down. Now, upon those 3% down home loans that you can get granted to you, you do have to be a first-time home buyer and you do have to complete a home buyer certification course. Now, on the private mortgage insurance, it is required if you put less than 20% down. If you obtain a conventional financing, once you hit the 20% mark, you can call your servicer to see if you can get that removed. Now, conventional has a lot of great products within it, great terms, great rates, and as well as that cancelable mortgage insurance. Now, another great benefit is you can prepay that mortgage insurance in a lump sum, which is pretty cool. So conventional is a great loan option for you. Next up on the program list is our government loans. That's right, certified by HUD, the Housing and Urban Development Program. Government loans allow a little bit less restrictives on certain criteria like credit scores. Credit scores can be a little bit lower than conventional loans. What it also allows on FHA loans, it's a 3.5% down. Now, unlike conventional loans, FHA mortgage loans, you can never get rid of your mortgage insurance unless you refinance or if you put at least 10% down. VA home loans. These are for our servicemen and women and our surviving spouses. Now, you have had to serve at least 181 days. That's right, 181. We have to get you over that 6-month mark and be honorably discharged. There's a couple other factors that we want to look at. Check out our VA videos for more information. Now, on our VA loans, this is a 0% down payment. It also allows residual income instead of a debt to income ratio, and it allows no mortgage insurance. So it's a great loan to capture if you're looking to keep that payment down to a minimum. USDA, this is also our rural housing. It is not a meat packing company. It is for those that look out moving outside of the Metroplex into a rural area. Now, the great thing about this loan program, it's a 0% down payment. That's right. You could also finance a portion of your closing costs into the loan. Now, on this USDA loan, there's a couple of very major specifics. We'll get into more videos about that. The 2 major specifics is you have to have at least a 620 credit score, and it's very income driven. Now, if you're looking at those properties, of course, give us a call, and it is also property specific. So give us a call. We'll be able to check that out. And our last type of product that we're going to kind of look at today is our non-conventional products. These are going to be your jumbo loans. Now, jumbo loans are over conventional loan limit, and those do change each and every year. but you can also have a more risk level to those jumbo loans, which means you'll have to have a higher credit score. You'll have to have more assets in the bank to be able to validate as well. And sometimes they come with a little bit higher interest rate too. Okay, for you self-employed borrowers, that's right, bank statement loans are back. Now, for bank statement loans, you have had to own your business for at least 2 years. Sometimes investors require 5 years. What this will do is you would have to alleviate your tax returns, but we can do an average of your bank statements. There's credit criteria, and the down payment is at least 10%. Of course, you're going to get a much better interest rate with 15 and 20% down. Okay, we're so glad to have you here today. We talked about conventional, we talked about our FHA loans under the government with USDA and VA, and then we talked about a couple of non-conventional products, which are our jumbo loans and bank statement loans. If any of these products you have a question with, feel free to give us a call. Schedule your strategy consult today. We would love the opportunity to help you out. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe, so when our next video comes available, you'll be the first alerted to you. Again, I'm Glenda White, the Mortgage Coach DFW here in the great state of Texas in Dallas-Fort Worth. Have a great day.